Hi, my name is Israel, and I'm demoing Crowscap. I developed interest in vast learning and reading lots of books since I was 16. And over the years, I discovered I'm beginning to forget important details of the things I read. And I thought to myself, there has to be a solution to this. So what I do is I save the informations, the important details in notepads, in WhatsApp chats, and then many of them just died here because I might not get to go back to them and I might not get to revisit them. So I thought to myself, there has to be a solution to this. That was the reason why I built Crowscap. So Crowscap turns saved link, notes, PDFs, conversation into a private memory you can search, you can revisit, and you can question and use. So Crowscap do not just save your memory. You can also have conversations with your intelligence memory. So you can start with something simple saying hello. And then you have Crowscap's helps you learn to survive the past moments and then many other things that Crowscap can do for you. So I can do something simple as saying Crowscap just tells me I can become a better founder. So I found this useful and I think I'm going to need this later. So I can just go ahead and just tell it to save that into my memory. I can also just say save that. So Crowscap saved that as a memory, meaning it summarizes the important details of the information into memory atoms that makes it easy for me to get and also easy for me to read. So I can just go ahead and go over these memory atoms. And also, I have the original copy of the memory information I saved here. So another important aspect of this is that, say for example, I saw an article that contains information that I want to save or I want to remember and I want to go over again. I can just paste the link here and then I can just say okay. So it goes and generates memory atoms of the important details of this article. So I can also go ahead and upload a document. So I saw a document on intelligent agents, which I want to save, I want to keep in my memory. You can as well send that. So Crowscap saves the important part of this as memory atoms in a way that I can just go over them. Another thing I can do, for example, I found a link or I found information about the thing that I care about, the information I care about, and I do not want the information gone. I can go ahead and save the information here. It saves both MQ as a claim, both as a claim and also as a question. I think this is the interesting part of this. So you get the claim, meaning you as a user claim that Bool MQ is the most efficient message broker technique. And then it comes with a follow-up question. Another important part of it is that, say for example, after this, I go ahead and say, oh, I found another thing and say, now I say something else that contradicts what I've already saved. Alright, so immediately it saves the memory and found contradiction with what I saved now and what I saved before about a message broker.